Hello roofing contractors, I'm Adib with Jeff, we're with Roof Coating Supply. Today we're going to go over metal commercial roofing systems. Jeff, if you were to, there's a lot of different types, but if you were to install a metal roofing system for commercial buildings, how would you do it?
Well, I have a lot of experience with metal. The industry's really changed. When I first started doing metal roof systems, you would bring a roll former out to the job. Typically it was a standing seam roof, and we would fabricate on site from a giant roll each piece of metal. Now they modulate this stuff and you can buy it from suppliers that will actually pre-cut everything for you. I like a clip system where you can't see the clips or screws and you put them down on the deck. And then it's all about, the underlayment, if you're using proper underlayments. So you got to make sure you have the right underlayment as well.
Okay, so the underlayment is very important to your system. What are some details, some minor details that could cause you leaks in the future?
Oh, there's a lot of details in metal, especially when you get to the ridges, because you use a Z-metal. The Z-metal is custom cut to each piece, and you slide it in, and it's supposed to prevent water from going in there. It's real critical that your installers do that properly. Secondly is, what is your edge detail like? For years ago, there would be a lot of systems where the metal would come down and they'd have an edge detail that actually would hold that metal down in place because it has a tendency to want to cut. They call it oil canning. And so, personally, I don't like that system.
Let's go over the lifespan of a metal flat roof.
A metal flat roof can actually outlive us.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it depends on if you're using Kynar finish now. The products have 50, 60-year warranties. When I first got into the business, the colors would oxidize and they would not look good. But the metal itself would still be, the waterproofing would still work well. And now they have finishes, now they have acrylic finishes that give it more longevity. But a metal roof system, if it's properly done, could easily last 50, 60 years.
Are there any disadvantages to a metal commercial roofing system?
There are disadvantages. One of the disadvantages is when they install them, if they don't have the clips in the right place, the wind can lift them up over a period of time, uplifting, vacuuming. They can open up at the seams. Some metal roof systems have a machine that compresses the seams together. If they make mistakes later, they can pay a price for that. There's a lot of opportunities for failure, but it generally goes back to the installer and if they've done things properly.
All right, thanks for going over that today. Contractors, remember, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to visit us at our warehouse. We're off 75 in Arapahoe, right in the northeast corner. You can also call us anytime. Thank you. See you on the next episode.